It's summer in Belgium, and nothing says coastal indulgence quite like a steaming pot of mussels enjoyed in one of the many charming bistros lining the sea dike all along the Belgian coastline. Today we're bringing that holiday flavor straight into your kitchen. The mussel season in Belgium typically kicks off in early July, marked by the arrival of the new harvest. The exact start date varies depending on supply and quality, both shaped by spring weather conditions. While mussels are a popular summer delight, they reach their peak flavor between September and November. We start by thoroughly washing the celery to remove any scent or dirt. Once clean, slice the stalks into thin pieces. Do not forget to use the celery leaves as well. They're packed with flavor. Gather them into a little bundle, roll them up and slice through with your knife to create a fragrant chiffonade. Slice the onions in half and remove the skin. Then cut them into fine, even half rings. To serve with the mussels, let's prepare a dipping sauce that's simple yet full of character. Mix 4 parts of mayonnaise with 2 parts of sharp Dijon mustard and 1 part of vinegar. I am using a homemade tarragon vinegar for an herbal twist, but any regular vinegar will just do fine. Give it a whisk and that's it, a simple sauce that goes brilliantly with mussels. Now it's time to clean the mussels. They are still alive when you cook them. Mussels that are closed are good to go. If the mussel died, the shell will open. It costs the mussel energy to keep the shell closed. If you spot any mussels that are cracked or damaged, toss them, those won't do. To check if a mussel is dead or not, give it a few gentle taps on the counter. If it slowly closes up, it's alive and safe to cook. If it stays open, discard. On average, you'll find about 3 mussels unusable for every kilo of mussels. Now clean them in cold fresh water. Swirl them around gently, drain and refresh the water a few times until the water keeps clear. That clears out any scent or grit. Melt a knob of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once it's melted, add your chopped celery and onion along with a sprig of thyme and parsley. Let the vegetables sweat slowly, stirring now and then. The key is here, no browning. We want them soft and translucent, not caramelized. Season with freshly ground pepper and a touch of salt if you like. Keep in mind, the mussels will release their own salty brine as they steam, so go easy. Once your vegetables are soft and fragrant, move the pot close to your cleaned mussels. No need to dry or shake off the water, just put them straight in the pot, 1 scoop at a time. Transfer the pot back on the stove on high heat, put on the lid. A kilo of mussels takes about 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Shake the pot once every 90 seconds so all mussels cook evenly. When the mussels are cooked and open, transfer them to a deep bowl or, if you want to keep it more traditional, a mussel pot like I am using. There are a lot of different ways how you can eat a mussel, but I just use a fork and dip them in the mussel sauce. And there you have it, mussels, an iconic Belgian classic savoured by many. Pair them with crispy fries, a chilled glass of beer or white wine, and you got summer on the plate. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious dives into Belgian cuisine. Let me know in the comments what Belgian dish you would like to see next.